Welcome to this tutorial on how to recover deleted photos on Google Photos. Recovering deleted photos can be a stressful experience, but fortunately Google Photos provides a straightforward process to recover your deleted photos. First, you need to open the Google Photos app on your device and sign in to your Google account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the menu icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen, and tap on it. From the menu, select the trash option. This is where all your deleted photos are stored. In the trash folder, you will see all the photos you have deleted in the last 60 days. You can browse through the photos and select the ones you want to recover. To recover a photo, simply long press on the photo and then tap on the Restore button. The photo will be restored to its original location in your Google Photos library. If you have deleted multiple photos, you can select them all at once by long pressing on the first photo and then tapping on the Select All button. It is worth noting that if you have permanently deleted a photo from the trash folder, it cannot be recovered. Therefore, it is essential to regularly back up your photos to prevent permanent loss. Additionally, if you are using the Google Photos web version, you can recover deleted photos by signing in to your Google account and navigating to the trash folder. The process is similar to the mobile app version. In conclusion, recovering deleted photos on Google Photos is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily recover your deleted photos and prevent permanent loss. Remember to always back up your photos regularly to ensure they are safe and secure.